This is Rico Cartel back at y'all with another new video. I haven't uploaded in a year, but I want to show y'all how to make money. I'm not gonna make the video too long. I have more videos coming. I have a lot of videos coming. Psychology, how to spot a trade, how to use fibs, whatever y'all want to know. Let me know in the comments. I'll bring it out. This is just a little, so I can show y'all how much I've made, the span of just 2 months of the October, you can see all these withdrawals approved. You know, you get them up. It's around about 6, 7K, I think I'm around there. But that's not the point. I just want to, show proof before I go post. I made this much. I made, so yeah, I'm gonna show you how to spot a trade and how I got into this trade at the top yesterday. I got in right here kind of early, but I had sell limits over here. This was my resistance up here. It was a good resistance zone. Uh, but yeah, let's go into how do I get into these trades. All right, so how to make living, how to make 5,000. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but it's so easy, man. Look, double bottom, break, retest, or you just label this as a double bottom, and that's all. Draw your fib from the bottom to from the bottom low, from the swing low to swing high. I like to do it like this, the most recent price data that I'm looking at. And that's how I like to draw my fib. I like to use price action only, use the RSI to help me, give me, a little overview of how the market is. If it's oversold, overbought, the market can never be oversold or overbought, so, but the RSI really does help for me. I don't know if for anybody, but it does for me. So let's say I wanted to get into this trade right here, which I did. I got in right here, I got in one position. I was thinking of a double top. I rejected right here. So I said, fuck it, sold it. But uh, at the meantime, there was some resistance up here, and I could have drawn my fib from that high to this low right here. Boom, look, draw from top to bottom because you're trying to sell. You're trying to get in a sell position. And what did this do? Came back and hit my 786. Perfect entry. Got in right here and right up here too. Right here. So it sold off, man. It's beautiful fucking trade, man. Like, look at that. Beautiful fucking trade, man. I don't know what to say. It's a beautiful trade. Easy execution, So what else can I say? And I'm done for the week, but you can come back since it's Friday. Friday flows are pretty easy if you know what you're doing on a Friday. Just I don't really recommend for beginners, but if you know what you're doing, then fuck it, go ahead. But this is again right here. Let's say I was going into a buy from low to the high. Why don't I put it up here? No, because I do it from my most recent high. Some people do it different, but this is what works for me, and it's, 786 rejection. I like getting in at 786 or 618 around here. That's where I like getting in, So got in, got out, 100 points scalp. I'm a scalper, intraday, day trader, but mostly scalping. I do 100 points, 150 points, 200 points, 50 points. Whatever the market gives me, I take. And that's what I see a lot of people having problems, man. Like, you gotta understand this market, it could go any fucking where any minute, You only gotta, you can't be greedy with what the market gives you. You just gotta take it. Don't be fucking greedy, man. Take it and leave. And then do it again, Have a trading plan and execute the trading plan, man, because I promise you, if you're just going in the market, oh, I'm gonna go in this, I'm gonna you're gonna fucking fail. You gotta have a set times, knowing what the hell you want to do, when you're gonna do it, and how the hell you gonna do it, man. It's just easy, man. Just price action. Follow price action. I'll see all these fucking YouTube resistant that bullshit, man. Just fucking stick to price action, man. It's as simple as shit. You really think these 90-year-olds, 80, 70-year-olds, motherfuckers, millionaires, billionaires are really busting their fucking head doing all these complicated shit? Nah, man. It's so fucking easy, bro. Double bottom right here. Maybe you can't see, but I can see it. Double bottom right here. I draw my fib. Perfect entry, man. You go in on the second leg. Fucking simple. If not, you have your stop loss right here. So let's say I went to this trade. I went to this trade right here. Stop loss is right here. Right. Fuck. Yeah, I know. Right here. So around right here. All right. So I'm risking about, let's say from here 830 to, let's say 830 to 790. 790 will be good. 730, that's around 40 to 50 points. And you always want at least double of what you're risking, so my first target would be this area. My second target would be this area. My third target would be all the way up here. I'm just going by zones, I see some resistance here. I see resistance here. And I see good resistance up here. Simple. I don't want to make this video quick long. I just want to show you, like, if you follow simple rules every day and do it, you can make a living off of it. And you, like, it's not hard, man. Like, you just follow simple stuff, simple patterns. If y'all want me to explain more into detail, I can, but it's simple, man. You just look for a trade, wait for your trade to come, inverted head and shoulders, going on the neckline right here. Boom. Scalp, man. You scalp. I scalp this. So let's say it's trading. I see this little, like, this range going on right here. I'm not gonna be greedy and hold this trade forever, man. I'm in and out the trades. Treat the market like, I don't want to say like a hoe, but you in and out quick, man. You don't. The market can move anyway, especially if you have a low account with indices, trading indices. You gotta understand. Let's say you're trying to swing. That's what a lot of people mistake, man. You can't swing US 30 with fucking $500, man. You can't unless you get perfect tip top entry. But at the most, people are not gonna get good entries, man. Because one of all, they're scared. Two, they don't know what the hell they doing. Third, I don't fucking know, man. Y'all just so, like, I've been seeing so many just all these gurus, man. It's just so funny. This market is not complicated, man. They're selling y'all bullshit. But if you want to learn more, man, if you really want to go learn more, you could follow my Instagram, which I will leave in the description. Or I'll just say right now, my Instagram, it's Rico, Rico Cartel 1104. Just like my YouTube, RICOO Cartel 1104. That's it. If you wanna follow me, give me a follow, shout, send me a message, whatever you want to learn, you want to do this, whatever problems you have, you can hit me up, man. I don't have a Discord right. I had one, but I deleted it. I will be making one again, or a Telegram. But if y'all want to see other videos, like how to enter trades, how to do this, I mean, it's simple, man. All I look is for simple patterns, simple price action, double bottoms, double top, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, descending triangle, ascending triangles, man. Just everything, all price action, man. And for my entries, I just use my Fibonacci. It's not hard, man. And you gotta pay attention. Give a little bit of attention to fundamentals. I'm not saying give it your all, no, but at least give it some attention, man, because fundamentals do play a part in almost everything, man. It plays a big part. So, what do y'all want to see? This is just a video of me coming back, showing y'all what I have done, how I have improved. You know, it's fucking mind blowing how much I've improved. But I want to see, what do y'all want to see for this channel next. No, it's Rico Cartel, and I'm out. Peace.